In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore your iPhone from an iCloud backup.
So what you want to do is go over to your settings application, click your name on the very top, then go to iCloud. And then what you want to do is you want to go to iCloud backup, and then you want to make sure that backup this iPhone and backup over mobile data are both turned on. Once they're both turned on, you can press backup now. It says this iPhone cannot be backed up because there's not enough iCloud storage space available. So you need to make sure you have enough storage space. Then it's going to show your device backup size. Mine is 73 gigabytes. And now what I want to go ahead and do is, the annoying thing is the way they want to make you restore your phone is if you go ahead and factory reset it. When you go ahead and factory reset it, it's going to give you an option to go ahead and restore your phone, or not restore your phone, but you want to click on iCloud backup whenever you're factory resetting it and then turning it on again. It's basically going to make it so that your phone is good as new. So then when you press, use iCloud backup, then everything's going to be re-downloaded and your iCloud backup is going to be used. But yeah, unfortunately, you are going to have to factory reset it if you want to use this method. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.